What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to show battery percentage on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So there are two ways you can use to show battery percentage. So the first one is open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on notifications. Now in notifications, click on advanced settings, and here you will see a show battery percentage button. So to show the battery percentage, tap on this button to turn it on. So right now you can see there is no battery percentage number. Now when I will turn on this button, it will show the battery percentage. So turn on this button to show battery percentage. Now second way to show battery percentage is open settings again, scroll down and here click on battery, and then scroll down and here you will see a show battery percentage button. So follow the same steps, turn on this button to show the battery percentage. Now when you will turn off this button from here, it will hide the battery percentage. So to show the battery percentage, tap on this button to turn it on. So these are the two ways that you can use to show battery percentage on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.